Hi and welcome. This video will explain how to wear the gloves, take out and reinsert the electronics and wash the glove textiles. Your Xsens Metagloves can be worn in different ways to best fit your use case. You have two different options to mount the sensors on your fingertips. The finger sleeves. They are made from elastic fabric that can be worn for many hours while still allowing your skin to breathe. They have silicone strips on both the inside and the outside to provide grip. The finger tape. The tape sticks to your fingertip, providing the most secure mounting of these sensors. Once you've chosen your way of attaching the sensors, you can click them in. The textiles of the Xsens Metagloves are also washable. To do that, first, you need to remove the electronics casing from the glove textile. Make sure that all fingertip sensors are detached from the finger sleeves or finger tapes. Gently pull all the cables out. Open the Velcro flaps on the sides and pull them out. Tilt the casing so the latch on the glove textile aligns with the latch on the casing and push it out. Pull all the cables slightly out. Push all the finger sensors through the finger openings to the casing opening. With the electronics removed from the gloves, they are now ready to be washed. You can machine wash your gloves at up to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. After washing, you can tumble dry your gloves at medium temperature. To reinsert the electronics, make sure that the glove textile is fully dry. Push the sensors through the finger openings. Align the latch on the casing with the latch on the textile, push it through and rotate to lock it. Finally, secure the casing with the textile with the Velcro straps. With the electronics fully installed, your gloves are once again ready for use.